Tired of online payment platforms that feel more complicated than they should? Today, we're unlocking the full potential of PayPal, turning you into a transaction master in just a few minutes. First, let's navigate sending money. Once logged in, you'll see the Send and Request option. Click it. Now, enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Double-check it's correct to avoid accidental transfers. Next, input the amount you want to send and select the currency. You'll see options for personal or business transactions. Choose the one that applies. Review the details carefully: the recipient, the amount, and the payment method. Then, hit Send Payment now to finalize the transaction. Receiving money is even easier. When someone sends you money, you'll receive an email notification the funds are automatically added to your PayPal balance. To manage your account, explore the summary page here. You can view your balance, recent activity, and access settings. When making online purchases, look for the PayPal button at checkout. Clicking it allows you to pay securely without sharing your credit card details with the merchant. Security is paramount. Enable two-factor authentication in your settings for an extra layer of protection. Also, regularly review your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you encounter any issues, PayPal's Resolution Center is your go-to resource for resolving disputes and reporting problems. And that's it. You're now equipped to navigate PayPal with confidence.